Say no more. I'm okay. Something came out and grabbed me. Hey, it's Mike again. Welcome to another video. Today's video is a little different. That $15 light I made last month, the link's right here. We're actually going to put it to use tonight, and we're going to do a night ride. So my son and I, Ryan, I made an identical set of lights for his bike as well, and we're going to put it to good use. So stick with us, and we will show you and put this light through the paces, and we'll see if a $15 light is trail worthy. So we're just riding up to the trailhead now. The place we're riding is called Ledgeview, and it's an old riding ground that's been around for 30 plus years on the outskirts of Abbotsford. I used to spend a lot of time on this hill training and racing and night rides and have a lot of fun. Well, let's see what we can do tonight with this $15 light. So usually it's about a half an hour to 45-minute hill climb up to the top of the peak. An old Forest Service road that used to be a microwave tower on top. So we're almost at the top here. Another maybe 100, 200 meters. I'll flip around. You can see, you can hear Abbotsford. You can see. So I'm looking kind of southwest into Abbotsford, downtown city there. And then facing over to the south, directly south, is Washington State. So that's just the Sumas border crossing just down there. Cool. So we ready? So I'll give you a little rundown of what we got going on here. If you haven't seen my other video, you can link over to it. But basically it is a car, an automotive kind of LED mini light bar. It has a spot and flood. And what I've done is I've done a switch and I've gone down and into this little water bottle. I got a drill battery, so it's all connected together and it works pretty awesome. Okay, we're at the top. Now we're starting to do the descent. Descent this way here. Let's wait for Ryan here, see what's going on. All right, we good? Yeah. Okay, go ahead. All right, let's get over. We'll just wait for we'll get up here and we'll wait for Ryan. All right. A little bit wrong turn. Another turn up there. A little further up. Oh, it's just when you think you know a trail. Totally different at night. A little growing in here. Say no more. I'm okay. Something came out and grabbed me. That was funny. All right. Time is it? 12:30. That's not bad, eh?
Oh, that's mighty.
Okay, let's.
It's weird. You're more focused and you feel like you're riding fast.
Love bombing down a hill after a ride.
Hour and like 20 minutes, one battery.
I figure you get about 2 hours ride time out of the battery.
What happened with the bushes?
Oh, it was undercut.
And then there's a
And yeah, it was undercut, and I couldn't really see it because the leaves are going on, and the front end just washed out on me.
I just come around the corner and they were laying in the bushes. I was like, what are you doing?
Oh, the joys of night riding. So how was that? Did you do it again?
Definitely do it again, yeah.
Sweet. So our ride is over, and I was a huge success. And like I said before, those lights was awesome. I was really impressed with the lights. Would you say so?
Yeah, I agree.
So I'll put a link below on how I actually built those lights on the other video. So if you haven't seen the other video, then go click and you can see how I built those lights. We got a full ride out of the one battery, and I think there was still more to go there. So that was a 1.5 amp hour battery, and if you had a larger one, a 2 or 3 amp hour battery, you could probably go, you know, as long as ride as you want. It was pretty cool. Once again, I appreciate you watching the video, and if you haven't already done so, please subscribe. I'd appreciate that, and thanks for watching.